Good morning. So here I am with your assignment for this week. I want to try to walk you through the steps and hopefully this video works and helps you to get to what you have to do this week. So to start with, you're going to go to your Canvas page. You are in the home part of your Canvas page and there is I'm going to show you how it looks in your computer in the student view. So that's how your Canvas page is looking right now. But you are going to concentrate on this section 0. These are the activities we did last time. Oh, I haven't posted that one yet. Let's see. Let's post that one. This is not published yet. Okay. Now we're going back to the student view. And there's the 2 activities that we were doing previous weeks. By the way, some of you didn't send. Good for the ones who did. And the other ones I hope you can catch up at some point. And this one is the activity that we are assigning for this week. I'm assigning it today on the 22nd. And when you click here, it's going to give you the explanation. So in the first one, it says your new vocabulary. We're studying new vocabulary for the new unit. And I made a slideshow that has the vocabulary, so you can just go there and look at the words, look at the picture, and practice the pronunciation of the words and learn your new vocabulary. So I'm gonna just go really quickly over the words. Patinar, escribir cuentos, trabajar, tocar la guitarra, usar la computadora, montar en monopatín, hablar por teléfono, esquiar, escuchar música, nadar, pasar tiempo con amigos, dibujar, practicar deportes, montar en bicicleta, jugar videojuegos, cantar, bailar, enseñar, estudiar, ver la tele, correr, ir a la escuela, leer revistas. This is the question you ask when you want to ask somebody, when you want to know what somebody likes to do. ¿Qué te gusta hacer? So that's what you ask people to know what they like to do. That's what it means. What do you like to do? And then to answer, you just say, me gusta, and then you add the activity, one of the activities that we just saw, or no me gusta, when you don't like one of the activities. So that's our basic vocabulary for this unit. All right. So back to our class plan. You see, you're going to see this video that I'm recording right now is going to be right here. So you will have access to it. So what do you have to do for your work? So your instruction says to click on Quizlet 2 on section A and practice the different activities. So these are the different activities you have there. So I'm going to go to the Quizlet 2, but for that purpose I go back to home, scroll down, and I find the Quizlet 2 right here. So it says right there to practice the different activities. So you can go back here while that opens and find what the activities are. So in my screen it's going to show in Spanish, but you have 1, 2, 3, and 4 activities that you have to complete. And the first one is to learn. This is to learn. So when you click on this one, you're going to have, sorry, it's a little slow. So you're going to have a picture. Oh, let me just one more thing. Here is the words, so you can learn them. You can look at the word. You click right here. Sorry. You click
Patinar.
right here and it gives you the word. So you have your flashcards and then you move to the next one. And when you
escribir cuentos,
so it gives you the word, how to say it, so you can practice how to say them. Okay, now, sorry. Okay, so this is the first thing you had to do. It's called aprender. So this is more of the vocabulary, and I forgot to tell you that when you go to the section 8, you're gonna have also the vocabulary 2. So there's your vocabulary 2. You have more words here that are gonna be in this Quizlet. So for example, how you say me neither, you just go back to your vocabulary, you find me neither right here. So I know you say it like this. So I'm just gonna go here and select the one, and it tells me if it's correct. What is this person doing? I click and it tells me if it's correct. In this one I had to type. Okay, it's just, and click and it tells me if it's correct. Okay, so that's what you're gonna do for aprender. It's gonna give you result, and that's I'm gonna explain at the end what you do with that result. You just write it down. You're going to put it back to the activity. You are going to, for example, when you're gonna copy this and you're gonna give me the results. So in this one, it's gonna tell you it is completed. When you finish this, it's gonna tell you completed because you already complete all the activities here. You go to your next activity. The next activity is writing. When you click on writing, you're gonna type the words. In all of them, you're gonna have to type. And it tells you if it's correct, and it's gonna give you here result. So it's gonna give you what round you finished and how many correct answers you had. You just write that there. The next activity is spelling. So we're going back. You're going back to spelling. And you're gonna listen to the word.
a mí tampoco,
And then you type it. You type what you hear. And
a mí tampoco,
okay, I made a mistake.
a mí tampoco.
I had to put a special character right here. Now I got it right.
Montar en bicicleta, bailar,
So it's gonna just give me the words, and I type whatever I listen to, I hear. Okay, so that one at the end is gonna give you a result too. So that's what you're writing. And then you're gonna take the test. So when you go to the test, you have 7 questions that you had to type, and then you have questions that you had to match. You have the pictures here and the words here. You also have questions of multiple choice right here, and then true and false. You complete that, you get a result for that, and then you type the result right here. What was your score? This is what I didn't do it here, but I'm gonna do it right now. I'm gonna leave the student view. Yeah. What you're gonna do is you're gonna have a box like this. You see, a box like this where you're gonna you're gonna copy this. You're gonna copy, and then you're gonna paste it right here. Of course, you don't have all my content. I have my content there. Let's do it down here so it doesn't look like. So you're gonna copy and you're gonna paste that, and then you're gonna put your answers here. That's all that you need to do there, only that. And so let's say that these are the results. So I copy these, and these are my results. Let's put it down here. I put my results here. That's all you have to answer, and then you are going to highlight your answer. It says right here, color. And you just highlight your answers. Okay, there you go. And you highlight. You have your box here, button here that says submit assignment, and you just submitting the assignment, and that's all I'm gonna receive, that you complete that activity. So that is all that I need you to give me. That's your activity. Just gonna put it like that here, so it gives you the example of how to do it. As usual, if you have a question, please let me know. Just send me an email and let me know that you have a question. I have offered having conferences with students. If you have questions and you need more help, so I can schedule a conference, you attend the conference, you ask me the questions you have, and we work on the activity together you want. One more thing I want to show you is the video. I made a video that has the new vocabulary and the new structure. So let's watch the video.
Mambo, mambo, ¿qué te gusta hacer? ¿Te gusta bailar el mambo, mambo? ¿Qué te gusta hacer? ¿Te gusta bailar el mambo, mambo? ¿Te gusta bailar mambo, mambo? ¿Te gusta bailar mambo, mambo? Me gusta mucho bailar. ¿Qué te gusta hacer? Me gusta tocar la guitarra y me gusta escuchar música. ¿Te gusta tocar la guitarra y te gusta escuchar música? Sí, sí, a mí también. Y también me gusta bailar el mambo. Sí, sí, a mí también. Y también me gusta bailar el mambo. No me gusta nada cantar. Ay, a mí tampoco. No me gusta nada cantar. Sí, pero me gusta bailar el mambo, mambo. ¿Qué te gusta hacer? ¿Te gusta bailar el mambo, mambo? ¿Qué te gusta hacer? ¿Te gusta bailar el mambo, mambo? ¿Te gusta bailar mambo, mambo? ¿Te gusta bailar mambo, mambo? Me gusta mucho bailar. ¿Qué te gusta hacer?
Copyright.
Okay, that's all for now. I hope that you can complete your activity, and until next time, talk to you later. Bye.